Hey, welcome everyone. This video is to prepare you for this coming Sunday's Wig Cosmetology course that starts at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to be learning how to cut a bob and a bang, or in other words, a fringe bang that covers the forehead. So that's what we'll be focusing on for Wig Cosmetology classes coming Sunday. And so I want to prepare you with what to expect, what tools you'll need to get ready for, and also understand that all of our courses are recorded, so you do get the replays, my dear students. So let's get started. So all you'll need is one wig. Doesn't matter if it's a frontal or a closure type wig. We're going to learn how to cut a bang and a bob. We'll start with a bob on this one. And because it's a frontal, I don't plan on putting a fringe onto it. I'm going to do a parting. So I'm going to prep this wig by straightening the entire wig and setting my parting if I'm going to have one in it. If you're not going to have a parting in it, you'll be setting it in the center so that it'll have a fringe bang as well as your bob. So you're going to need to make sure you have straight hair. If you have hair that is wavy in texture, you can flat iron this hair or, wet and blow dry it straight, but it does need to be straight in order for you to understand how to cut the bob in a specific way. That could probably help those of you who are having a hard time cutting these types of bobs. We are going to learn how to do the fringe bang on this bob. So this bob is already done. I've done this a while back. I'll try and link this video in the description box of this video, but we're going to change this deep parting bang, like side parting, and we're going to turn this into a fringe. So that's what we're going to do. This is a stack bob. This isn't what we're going to be learning. We're going to learn just the basics and getting the shape and how to get in a slight layer if needed. So that's what we're going to do. So you only need one wig. Make sure that that wig is at least 12 inches. Doesn't matter what type of closure it has, and make sure that it is straight. If it's not, you're going to need to straighten it to be prepared for class. All right, so I have quite a few other tools that you are definitely going to need if you're going to be learning with us, meaning interacting and actually doing this right along with the demonstration. You are definitely going to need combs. So you're definitely going to need some combs, preferably a styling comb. If you have a rat tail comb, that's all you have, yes, but you'll probably need both if possible. You're going to need clips, because you're going to need to have something to hold the hair in sections as you're working with one section at a time. So it could be clips, it could be rubber bands, it could be cords, whatever it is, but you're going to need clips. And then you're going to need shears, cutting shears. So your cutting shears will have this on the end of them, and your ring finger goes into the top and your thumb goes into the bottom. Look at me. Ring finger in the top, thumb at the bottom, fingers here, so that you are using it exactly like this, okay? Now, there may be some of you who do this, and that's totally fine. This is not really the best one, not the best control, but from here and here, so that something is resting here and you can only use your thumb, but you're gonna need shears. We'll get more in depth with how you can hold your shears then, but this is just getting you guys prepared for the styling. So you'll need those. And if you find some at a local beauty supply store and they look like this, they still work. Just make sure that they are sharp. All right, everyone, so those are all of the tools that you need. This is what you can expect. We are going to be cutting our fringe bang and our bob, and I will see you in class Sunday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Look down below in the description box of this video for more information and links. I'll see you there.